2025 CR 002509 State versus Jessica Rodriguez. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record state? Defense?
Suzanne Kramer for Ms. Rodriguez.
All right, is there an application in this case?
There is, Judge.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery?
I have.
Did you review that with your client?
I did.
And are you Ms. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Rodriguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with assault of a peace officer or judge as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
You believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Yes, sir.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all this attachment.
No objection.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only, Judge, that her criminal history is very light. She had a resisting arrest that was dismissed. She had something else. I can't honestly remember what the charge was, but she successfully completed deferred. So I was asking Jason if he would mind if I, just asked you to go a little lower on the fines, especially with her conditions. She's getting ready to have that baby, and possibly give her less term of like maybe 4 or 5 years on deferred.
All right. So why are you fighting at Market Square on Fiesta?
There's 3 girls that had came up to me, and then one of them, I guess, I don't know how she knew me, but she had knew me, and she had said my son's name, and then I was drunk on her, and I just started fighting.
So we're living in a society now where if someone even says someone's son's name? It's like all bets off. Let's fight.
Well, if she said it aggressively,
Oh, what's your son's name?
Josiah.
Josiah. Is that what she did?
Yeah.
That's all it takes for people to fight? I thought you were going to say maybe she called your son out his name, but I see she did not. She was just screaming his name.
So they had came up to me when I was already walking away because I had saw them were by the porta potty.
How do you guys know each other?
She knows.
The father of your child?
Well, no, his girlfriend.
All right. Yeah, there's some kind of girlfriend, boyfriend going over here.
Very
People do
likely.
not get into fights, which I
Actually,
don't
this
know
has
why.
Nothing in her history that just kind of just came out of the blue.
I don't know why people are getting in fights. Is Child Protective Service involved in your life?
No, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
She's my second one. I just have two.
So you have 2 and 1 on the way?
No, just one, and then she's my second.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Oh, I'm sorry. How far did you go in school?
9th grade.
Why did you drop out?
I was in a foster system, and I ended up running away. And then when I turned myself in, it was really too late for me to go back to high school because I was too old to go back to the 9th grade.
All right. Do you have a support system?
She does. Is he here? Is he
Yes,
still here?
Yes, he's here.
She's got, I don't know, boyfriend?
Yes.
His name is Mark Cruz. He's actually been here since 9 o'clock this morning.
Well, is Mark Cruz the father of your children?
Yeah, he's the father of my daughter, and he also takes care of my son while I'm.
All right. So here's the thing. This is what I tell people, and I want you to internalize what I'm saying. Sometimes, yes, you meet a guy, they're a prince. It's like, oh, where did this guy fall from? It's like a Hallmark movie and not a suffering woman's channel movie on Lifetime. But usually it's a Lifetime movie. Children, I think children are great. I love children. But you should think of children as suitcases. And who wants to be carrying around all these suitcases and it's not their suitcase? So you need to consider that because sometimes people treat their biological children different from children that are not their biological children. And you're out here living your life, drinking, getting drunk at Market Square, getting into fights, and your child is by themselves with whomever you have them with. So has he been taking care of your child while you're in custody?
Yes, ma'am. Him and my older sister have been.
And Judge, I can absolutely attest to the fact that Mark Cruz texted me, calling me all the time, wanting to make sure she was okay, wanting to know what was going on. He really was like overly involved from my point of view, that clearly cares for her.
All right, maybe he's wants somebody to help him babysit. I'm
Possibly.
tired.
But obviously he wants
Hurry up,
that.
get home.
Everybody
Okay.
wants to be out.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that will be probated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 120 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting. Once she completes parenting, 60 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to order GED, or either you're going to obtain your trade school certification in something, then the other 60 hours will be waived. 6 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Market Square. So you will not be fiesting. Is that a word? Fiesting at Market Square while you're on this probation. You better bypass that street. There is to be proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care providers or with minor. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And anger management. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.